This is a ZNS News Update. Good afternoon. I'm Kishla Adderley. There are new developments in the voter registration fraud hearing in North Andros. An attempt to have that case aborted failed today when presiding officer Huntley Christie ruled against a motion put by the PLP's lead attorney, Philip Brave Davis. Davis argued that the entire process was compromised and the integrity of the hearing put into question when the name of a witness was made public. The election campaign continued last night in Yamacraw with the Free National Movement promoting a record of deliverance for the Bahamian people in education, healthcare, and labor. Prime Minister Hubert Ingram says the PLP, meantime, is running on a record of fear and has no record to reflect on during its 5 years in office. In South Andros, the Progressive Liberal Party campaigned on the legacy of the father of the nation, the late Sir Lyndon Pindling. PLP leader Perry Christie reminded South Androsians of Sir Lyndon's national efforts and criticized various government initiatives. And one of the country's largest food store chains has reportedly made a decision to close its doors after facing months of financial challenges. Now, City Market's employees are concerned about their benefits after being told the stores will close next Friday. This has been your ZNS News Update. I'm Kishla Adderley. Good afternoon.